the bustling city of Kufa, there lived a young man named Omar, who worked as an apprentice to a wealthy fabric merchant. Omar was hardworking, but he often felt a sense of lack. He watched as others seemed to gain wealth quickly, sometimes by cutting corners or overcharging customers. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Omar sat outside his small home, eating a simple of bread. He noticed a traveler sitting nearby, looking weary and hungry. Remembering the teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him, about hospitality and kindness, Omar didn't hesitate. He broke his bread in half and offered the larger portion to the stranger. "Please share this with me," Omar said with a warm smile. The traveler looked surprised but deeply grateful. "May Allah bless you with Barakah, divine blessing, in everything you touch," the man whispered. As they ate, the traveler shared stories of far-off lands, reminding Omar that true wealth is not what you keep, but what you give for the sake of Allah. The next morning, while Omar was organizing the silk rolls in the shop, his master, a wise old man named Yusuf, handed him a bag of silver coins. "Omar," Yusuf said, "I have watched your character. Go to the market today and purchase the finest wool from the mountain traders. Be honest in your dealings, do not haggle to the point of causing them hardship." At the market, Omar found a trader who had mistakenly underpriced his high-quality wool. Omar could have easily taken advantage of the error and kept the extra coins for himself. Instead, he corrected the trader. "Brother," Omar said, "this wool is worth much more than what you are asking. Here is the full, fair price." The trader, stunned, he had been struggling to feed his family, and Omar's honesty saved him from a great loss. News of Omar's integrity spread through the marketplace like wildfire. Years passed and Omar eventually opened his own small shop. Because of his reputation for honesty and his habit of giving Sadaqah, charity, in secret, his business flourished in ways he couldn't explain. He found that even a small amount of profit lasted longer and brought more peace than the large sums of the greedy merchants. One night, while walking home from the mosque, he saw a man distributing food to the poor. To his amazement, it was the same traveler he had shared his bread with years ago. The man recognized Omar immediately. "You see, my friend," man said, "you gave little, and Allah gave you plenty. The secret of wealth is not in the counting, but in the sincerity of the heart." Omar realized then that the Barakah the traveler had prayed for was real. It wasn't just about money. It was the contentment in his soul and the light in his home. He understood that when a person walks with taqwa, God consciousness, the world opens its doors in ways that logic cannot define. Moral, the story: honesty and charity do not decrease wealth. Rather, they invite barakah, blessing, into one's life. True success is found in seeking the pleasure of Allah through kindness and integrity.
Please follow and subscribe for more videos.